Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 65 GTO. The top goes down, 389. It's got dual fours on it. It's got a 4-speed. It's got beautiful interior, and you're gonna love checking it out. So go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're gonna take a look under the hood. We're gonna get out and drive it. We're gonna look in the trunk. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your GTO investment. So come on up and we'll fire this baby up for you right now. So check this beauty out, man. The paint is phenomenal. Beautiful chrome. The grille looks great. And look down the side of this baby. Straight as an arrow, long as a freight train. Look at that. Beautiful bodywork. We got great looking stainless on it. Red line tires. I was just out driving it, did the driving video. It's a blast to drive. It's got plenty of power. Door jambs are nice and clean. Rubber looks good. Door panels look great. Carpeting looks good. It's got wood steering wheel, wood on the dash. Dash pad itself's in good shape. All the chrome on the dash looks good. All the paint on the dash looks good. And yep, it is a 4-speed guy. It is a center console car. We got seat belts in the front and the rear. Upholstery looks like it's brand spanking new. And if you want to check it out with the top up, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We got a bunch of pictures of the car with the top up. Personally, I'd never put the top up on this car unless I got caught in a rainstorm. Back here, all the trim around the taillights, it looks like it's original to the car and it is in beautiful shape. If you want to get up close on it, take a look. Just a couple of marks on it, but other than that, it is in beautiful shape. Chrome on the back bumper definitely looks like it's new. The emblem here looks like it's fairly new. The GTO emblem looks good. You can see how the trunk fits real nice. All the lines look good. And I got 4 keys to choose from here, so I stuck it in wrong the first time. I don't think that's the key. Let's see, there's another one. That one doesn't go either. All right, it may be a minute. Look at that, 3rd time's a charm. Look inside the trunk here, beautiful. The wheel wells look good. The back sides of the quarters are nice and clean. Trunk floor looks great. They've painted the bottom side of the deck lid. And on these GTOs, you know, you gotta check out these deck lids because they took a lot of weather. This deck lid's in beautiful shape. You look down the side on the passenger side, looks just like the driver's side. Straight as an arrow, no nicks, dings. Beautiful restoration on the car. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. Right now we have over 225 cars in stock and we own every one of those cars. We bought 48 new cars here at Vanguard last month and I was involved in buying every one of those. So what that means to you is you're getting my experience helping you pick out your dream car. Now let's go outside and drive this car. All right, let's take this GTO convertible for a ride. 4-speed power, dual 4 power, top goes down. This thing's sweet, guys. It's a GTO convertible. They don't last long at our shop, I tell you what. GTOs sell quick, and when the top goes down, that means they sell even quicker. So call Tom at 248-974-9513, and he will tell you just how easy it is to ship this dream to your driveway, no matter where you live in the world. I tell you what, transmission's downshifting good, the power brakes are working good, power steering feels great. It's got an aftermarket radio on it. It looks like the old style, but it is playing music for us right now. Speedo's working, the Pro Tac here is working. It looks like the tack on the dash is also working. Then there's a 3-pack of gauges underneath the dash for everything you need. I love the vent windows, I miss that. Got a lot of air coming out of those vent windows. That Chevrolet pickup truck was taking his half out of the middle. A good thing he scooted over there. I tell ya, this car's got some get up and go too. You can tell it really wants to go. I'm having a blast shifting gears. It's got a nice quiet exhaust, but you know when it's sitting still, it's got a real nice rumble to it. So it definitely sounds like a GTO when you're idling. But it's nice and quiet when you're driving, which is kind of cool. When you've got a convertible like this, you're not making so much noise, so you can actually hear yourself thinking. But to tell you the truth, I'd still put louder mufflers on it. I like making a lot of noise. Like I said, I'm upshifting and downshifting here, no problem. Now, if you need help with financing, we can handle that for you too. We got about 3 different bankers we work with on financing. Takes about a 15-minute phone call, or you can check it out online and fill out an app online at vanguardmotorsales.com. Make sure you check out our inventory while you're there. We bought 48 new cars last month, so we've always got new stuff coming in. Now we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up on the lift so you can see the underside. We're gonna pop the hood, take a look at those dual 4s. We're gonna show you everything you need to see. Now here's our building. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. We got 80,000 square feet of indoor storage and over 225 cars in stock, guys. So stick with us. We're gonna get this up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this beautiful GTO now. You can see it's got a brand new tank. It's got a fairly new exhaust system on it. 323 gear in here, and it is an open rear end. It's got stock mufflers on it. It looks like the bushings and the control arms are good. I always check the low area in the frame. This frame looks great. The back sides of the rockers look good. The pinch weld here where the inner wheelhouse goes to the floorboard also looks good. All the secondary braces here to the floorboard look great. I mean, it is a beautiful car under here, guys. Cross members in good shape. We've got a Muncie 4-speed here. Again, fairly new exhaust up front. It does have the stock clutch linkage like would have come from the factory. It's got a stock starter on it. It does have drum brakes all the way around. I see new flex lines. It does look like it's had some new ball joints put in it. Bushings on the sway bar look new. Looks like the tie rod ends are new also. Of course, the guys will check out all the steering gear. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Core support looks good. Chrome on the front bumper looks great. Paint on the bottom side of the motor also looks great. I mean, she's one sweet looking car underneath. Now let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, we got stock appearing GTO rims here. Center caps are in good shape. Trim rings look good, and we got red line tires. 205/70 14s up front. Rocker molding looks good. Again, like I said, the pinch weld looks like it's in good shape. And I always feel around on the back side of the front fenders here. All I can feel is nice smooth steel back there. Bottom edge of the door also looks good. Let's look at the rear. All right, out back here, same size tire. Again, these look like brand new from Coker. Center caps, again, look good. Trim ring looks good. I always feel this lip to make sure it's solid. The wheelhouse goes right down to the quarter. It feels nice and clean. And that wheelhouse also looks good. And this is what I was talking about, this edge here where this wheelhouse is spot welded to the floorboard. It's a nice place to check all the time. And then again, always look at the bottom side of the rocker and this pinch weld. Let's get under the hood. All right, we got a period correct 389 here with dual 4s on it. It's got a couple of Edelbrocks sitting on top of a brand new Edelbrock intake. Good looking valve covers. It does have power brakes. It looks like the power booster is brand new. It looks like the master cylinder is brand new. It does have power steering. Radiator also looks brand new. Great looking car under the hood here. It's got stock appearing distributor. Looks like some new plug wires on it. The core support here is in beautiful shape. You guys that know Pontiacs know this whole area normally looks really trashy on Pontiacs. This one has been stripped down and repainted with chassis black, looking good. The black paint on the inner wheelhouses look good. I can see what looks like brand new crossbars and bushings and upper control arms, and the upper control arms look like they were off and they've been painted real nice. The firewall's nice and clean. It's got new fiberglass under the hood. The bottom side of the hood's nicely painted. She's a gorgeous car, guys. Top goes down. She's a GTO. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.